रोशनी रोशनी उम्मीद है तामीर दाए रोशनी उम्मीद है
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning and welcome to all my grade 6 students. My dears, our today's topic is nose, the organ of smell, its structure and its function. Nose, the organ of smell. The human nose is the primary organ for smell, and it acts as a very important sensory tool, as a very important sensory organ. Nose is also part of the human respiratory system, and it helps us to breathe and smell. Now, structure of the nose. The nose is a protruding organ on the face. Protruding means projection, bulge out on the face. The nose has two openings called nostrils. These two nostrils are separated from each other through a wall of cartilage, and that wall of cartilage is called the septum. After this, then there is the main nasal cavity, which contains olfactory hairs. Olfaction means the ability to sense the smell. The olfactory hairs have chemoreceptors. Chemoreceptors are those receptors which helps to respond to chemical stimuli, chemical changes. The nose also has a mucus secreting membrane which secrete mucus. Mucus is the protective secretion that makes the passage of food, the pathway of food, lubricating means oily, and also protect the epithelial cell. Mucus is the protective secretion that makes the pathway or passage of the food lubricating means oily. By this way, the movement of the food become easy, and it also protect the epithelial cells. Now, function of the nose. Air enters our body through the nostrils. Nostrils are the two openings in the nose. The chemoreceptors of olfactory hairs detect and identify different types of smell, means various smells. These olfactory hairs are connected to the nerve cells. By this way, that nerve cells take signals to the brain, and these signals are then interpreted or then described by the brain. As a result, we recognize, we identify a smell. Role in respiration. Role of nose in respiration. My dears, as we inhale means as we intake air, so the air enters the nose, then the mucous membrane filters and traps the impurities like dust particles, carbon, pollen, and other pollutants, other waste products from the air to a large extent. Extent mean had. Later, the warm, moist air goes down to the lungs through the windpipe. The lungs take oxygen from the air and transfer carbon dioxide. By the transferring of carbon dioxide as we exhale, so the air high in carbon dioxide, so the air containing high amount of carbon dioxide, CO2, leaves the lung through the nose into the environment, into the surrounding. My dears, read the topic on page number 30 and 31 3 to 4 times. Also pick out the difficult words and search their meanings. Take care and Khuda Hafiz.